Cody Meyer here, making it shift and tick. Today we got a 2014 Nissan Altima in the garage with a 2.5 liter gas engine. Customer complaint, rough idle, feels as if the car is missing. Upon a scan, you can see it's got a p0300 multiple cylinder misfire, and we got a p0014 exhaust timing control bank 1. So what we'll do is we'll go back, we'll go ahead and start the car. You can see the check engine light is on and the tach is fluttering. We'll go into data. Let's go down, we'll look at the timing here. There's the intake. You can see just above the white line we're at 10 degrees, and then you can see on the exhaust it's just below the white line, we're at 47 degrees. So we obviously have a timing problem. That's way too far out. So what we'll do is we're going to look at the VVT solenoids that control your cam phasers. I'll explain to you exactly which ones do what, and we'll get it out there and look and see if the valve is stuck on the actuator or if it has a electrical problem, which it has no codes for the solenoid for it being electrical short, open, anything like that. So I would say it's mechanically it's stuck. So we'll get it out and look at it. Sorry about the video being long. I need to learn how to edit these videos, shorten them up, put them together. We'll get it in the air. This just be a part 1. I'll make a part 2 exactly, show them what exactly is going on. And I'll explain where these VVT solenoids are located. And we'll go. Already got a light in here, but if you look, let me try to get up in here where we can see. Alright, on the side of the motor there, you can see the gray connector with the 2 wires going to it. One of them's blue. Alright, that's your intake solenoid. And then if you come on down, there's one in the middle with the gray connector. That's your intake solenoid as well. It uses 2 of them for the intake. Now if you look at the very bottom towards alternator and down, the very last one, the third one, that is your exhaust VVT timing solenoid. That's the one we're going to take out. We'll get it out and see if it's stuck, and I'll show you how to test it. Thanks for watching. Look out for part 2.